Today, 14th November 2023, I declare a state of emergency on education in Zamfara State. The neglected education system in Zamfara affects all levels, from primary to tertiary institutions, with poor learning environment and personnel. My government will give the education sector the much needed overhaul, owing to the virtual collapse of this sector. To reverse this trend, my administration declared a state of emergency in the education sector. In my campaign manifesto and inaugural speech, I made a promise to the people of Zamfara that my administration will implement policies and programs aimed at reforming the education sector, building and rehabilitating public schools, providing adequate educational facilities, and training and retraining the existing staff to enhance their capacity. Given the circumstances, I am pleased to announce that we have fulfilled our promise. As a result, my administration has commenced the following emergency response. Number 1, construction and renovation of 245 schools across the 14 local government areas of the state. Number 2, to provide 2-seater desks for pupils and students, totaling 9,542 across schools in the 14 local government areas. Number 3, to equip the constructed and renovated 245 schools with 619 tablets and 926 chairs for the teachers across the 14 local government areas. As part of the emergency response, teachers and education managers at all levels will receive training and retraining in all subject areas. In order to maintain minimum level of quality in the delivery of education, the government has suspended the licenses of private education providers in the state. This is done to ensure that private schools meet the required standard for providing quality education in a comfortable environment with well-trained teachers, quality infrastructure, and the necessary equipment. In this regard, the government will ensure quality supervision of private schools through the Ministry of Education, Science and Technology in order to maintain standards. In pursuit of quality education, my government has approved sponsoring 50% of Zamfara indigents admitted into Federal Government Girls College Gusau for the 2023-2024 academic sessions. My government has paid the National Examination Council NECO fees for all Zamfara public school candidates who sat for the 2023 exam. Similarly, certificates for the candidates who sat for the 2019 NECO examinations have been collected and distributed to the students. The result of the NECO exam taken in 2022, 2021, and 2022 will be released to students before the end of this month. The results were previously withheld by NECO due to non-payment by previous administration. However, with our intervention, students who graduated during those years can now access their results and apply for different tertiary institutions for admission. We have also paid the tuition fees and allowances of students on scholarship in various countries including Sudan, Cyprus, and India. This is to ensure that they can continue their studies without interruption due to debt incurred by previous government. My government is committed to changing the narrative of constant underperformance. Under my leadership, Zamfara will thrive across all sectors. This is just the beginning of our rescue mission.